Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknathrav Khadse Talent School, Muktai Nagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your computer teacher, and today we are going to solve worksheet second of chapter second types of computer. Worksheet second. See, first you write your name here in this way: Sachin Prakash Patil. Okay, in this way you can write your name here. Now see the first question. Now what is in this question? Tick what? Tick the correct answer. Here are the questions. Which answer is correct? That answer we have to tick correctly. Huh? So let us read the first question. Which of the following is not a personal computer? Which of the following is not a personal computer? Laptop or supercomputer? Who is not the personal computer? Of course, supercomputer. Huh? Supercomputer is not a personal computer because supercomputer it is the main type of computer and laptop it is the type of personal computer. Understand? Laptop it is the type of personal computer. So which of the following is not a personal computer? Supercomputer. Supercomputer is not a personal computer. Supercomputer is the main computer. Understand? Very good. Now, second question. It is meant to be used at a single location. What? It is meant to be used at a single location. Which computer is used as a single location? Desktop computer or tablet computer? Of course, desktop computer means desktop computer we can place at only one single location. We cannot move the desktop computer from one place to another place, one place to another place. So desktop computer can fix in one location. So this is the correct option. And tablets is just like a smart mobile that we can kept in our pocket. We can easily carry it from one place to another place. So tablet is not an answer. Desktop. It is a meant to be used at a single location, that is desktop computer. Understand? Very good. Now next. Which of the following has a touchscreen interface? Which of the following has a touchscreen interface? Desktop computer or tablet? Which has the touchscreen? Desktop computer have a touchscreen? No. Then tablet. Tablet have a touchscreen interface. Tablet have a touchscreen interface. Tablet have a touchscreen interface. Understand? Which of the following is a wireless computer? Wireless computer. Which computer is wireless? Laptop or desktop? Of course, laptop. Laptop has a wireless computer. Laptop is a wireless computer. Desktop required wire. Desktop needs wire. It cannot be taken along with you. It cannot be taken along with you. Which you can take cannot take with you? Tablet or desktop? Of course, desktop. We cannot take desktop because desktop is very large in size, small in size, or heavy in weight. Desktop are very heavy. That's why we cannot take along with us. So this is the option. It cannot be taken along with you. Desktop computer. Have you got all the answers? Have you understand all the answers of these questions? Very good. Now see the next question. That is nothing but write P for portable device and U for unportable device. P for portable. Portable means what? What is the meaning of portable? Portable means we can carry from one place to another place. We can move from one place to another place. That is called as a portable. And unportable means what? We cannot carry from one place to another place. Understand? So, desktop computer. Can we carry the desktop computer from one place to another place? No. Then what we can write here? We write here U. What do you write here? We write here U. Unportable. What we write here? U. U for unportable. Unportable means desktop computer can place at a single location. Desktop computer can be placed at a single location. We cannot move the desktop computer. Understand? Laptop. Can we carry the laptop? Yes, we can carry the laptop. So we can. Laptop is a portable. Laptop, it is a portable. Laptop, it is a. So you write here P. Tablet. Tablet is just like a smartphone. So we can easily carry the tablet from one place to another place. So we write here P. P for portable. P for portable. Understand? Now next. Mainframe computer. What? Mainframe computer. Can we carry the mainframe computer from one place to another place? One place to another place we can carry mainframe computer? No, we cannot carry. So what you write here? Here you write. U means unportable. U means unportable. Supercomputer. Same way. We cannot carry supercomputer. We write U. Notebook computer. Yes, we carry the notebook computer from one place to another place. We write here P. What we write here? P. Have you got the answer of this question? P for portable devices. U for unportable devices. Okay? Now next. What is the answer of this question? See. Answer the following question. Why is a personal computer called personal? Why is a personal computer is called a personal? Because it is often owned by single person. Because what you write here? Because it is owned by single person. Because it is owned by single person. Why is a personal computer called personal? Why we call personal computer as a personal? Because it is owned by single person. That's why it is called as a personal computer. Understand? Very good. Now next, what is a tablet computer? What is a tablet computer? What is a tablet computer? See, a tablet is a wireless. A tablet is a wireless portable device. Wireless portable device that has touch screen. That has touch screen. That has touch screen interface. That has touch screen interface. Understand? What is a tablet computer? See, a tablet is a wireless portable device that has touchscreen interface. Huh? Means tablet does not have a wire, and portable means it can carry from one place to another place, and has a touchscreen interface. Means tablet has a screen, uh, screen has a touchscreen, that touchscreen interface. So that is called tablet. Understand? What is tablet computer? Okay. Now turn the page on the second page. See what you see on the second page. Which one is larger in size? Desktop or laptop? Which one is larger? Desktop or laptop? Of course. What? Desktop. Desktop. Desktop is the larger. Okay? You write here desktop. Which one is larger in size? Desktop is larger in size. Understand? So you write here desktop. Personal computers are also called supercomputers. Is this statement is true or false? Personal computers are also called supercomputers. Is this statement is true or false? This statement is false. Personal computer is not a supercomputer. Okay, so this statement is false. You write here false. Next question. See, what is the difference between mainframe and supercomputer? What is the difference between the mainframe and supercomputer? Okay, see, what is the difference? Mainframe computers do thousands of tasks, and supercomputer do only one task, one specific task at a time. Mainframe computers can do thousand of tasks. Mainframe computer do thousands of tasks at a time, but the supercomputers can do specific tasks. Supercomputer do specific task. Mainframe computers do thousands of tasks. Supercomputers do specific tasks. SPECIFIC. Okay? Mainframe do thousands of tasks. Supercomputers do specific tasks. Okay? Name the different types of computer. Name the different types of computer. Which are the different types of computer? First, personal computer. Second, mainframe computer. And third, supercomputer. Okay? Different types of computer are personal computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputers. Understand? Now, the next question is fill in the blanks. What? Fill in the blanks. See, these are the fill in the blanks. and here are the options. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. 5 options are given here and 5 fill in the blanks are given here. So these options we have to write here. Understand? I read the first fill in the blanks. See, let us read now. A dash dash can fit in your lap and is larger than a notebook. Computers. What it's called? A computer that can fit in your lap. Lap means on your palm. Can fit on your palm. Means hand. A dash dash can fit in your lap and is larger than notebook computers. Is larger than notebook computers. That is called laptop. What it's called? Laptop. What you write here? Laptop. This option you write here. This option you write here. Computers that are placed on a desk are called as a desktop. This option you write here. Computers that are placed on a desk. Desk means table. On a table are called desktop computer. What it's called? Desktop computers. PC stands for personal computer. PC stands for personal computer. What you write here? Personal computer. Personal computers. Okay? The computers that are smaller and lighter than notebook computers are called the computers that are smaller and lighter than notebook computers that are called smaller and lighter that are called tablet computers. The computers that are smaller and lighter than notebook computer are called what? The computers that are called notebook computers. What do you write here? Notebook computers. Dash dash are the fastest type of computer. Supercomputers are the fastest types of computer. What do you write here? Supercomputer. Okay. So in this way you can fill all the fill in the blanks with these given options. Understand? Now the next question is true or false. Write T for true. Write T for true and F for false. Understand? Okay. A PC looks like a small briefcase. A PC looks like a small briefcase. What do you call? See, first statement. A PC looks like a small briefcase. PC. PC looks like a small briefcase. This statement is true or false? Personal PC means personal computer. Personal computers look like a small briefcase. No. This statement is false. A notebook looks like a small briefcase. So you write here F. What you write here? F. A tablet is a wireless computer. A tablet is a wireless computer. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. This statement is true. You write T here. You can carry a laptop anywhere? Yes, we can carry a laptop anywhere. We write here true. Notebook computers are smaller than laptop computers. This statement is true or false? Yes, notebook computers are smaller than laptop. This statement is true. So, in this way, you can solve all the questions. Okay? I hope you have enjoyed the today's session. Thank you, student. Now, we will come on the next session on the next topic next chapter, worksheet first. Thank you.